The mainstream media refer to this stock as meme stock, but is it really a meme stock? I don't know. What's up? My name is Rishabh Savant. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do know a thing or two about investing, and I like talking about it for entertainment purposes. Today we're going to speak about Corsair. Corsair is basically a computer accessories company selling keyboards, mouse, headsets, and they specialize in gaming related stuff. Earlier this week, this company had a huge run up of about 20% in one day. The mainstream media refer to this stock as meme stock, but is it really a meme stock? I don't know. Let's look at the financials and then we'll compare that to two other companies in the same space doing similar things. First thing that we're going to look here is going to be the income statement. So in 2018, we made about $937 million. In 2019, 1.1, let's say, billion dollars. In 2020, $1.7 billion. And the past 12 months is $1.9 billion. Next, we look at the net income. Negative 13 million in 2018, negative 8 million in 2019, 103 million in 2020, and 148 million in past 12 months, trailing 12 months, that is. So this looks fantastic. We're growing revenues year on year. We are growing net income year on year as well. We just started making profits last year in 2020. This could be attributed to people buying gaming related hardware during the lockdown, as more people were stuck at home playing games. But I personally believe that this trend will continue because the gaming industry is growing. Next, we look at the balance sheet. 2018, total assets amounted to 810 million and total debt added up to 422 million. 2019, total assets 1 billion and total debt 505 million. 2020, total assets 1.3 billion and total debt is 330 billion. So far so good. It looks like the company can pay its debt if things go south. So now we look at the cash flow. It looks like the company is not really buying back any shares, but it's okay because it's a growth company. The free cash flow, it's positive. In 2019 was the first year where we had a positive cash flow of 28 million, and then 159 million in 2020, and the past 12 months, trailing 12 months, 181 million. So the company has good amount of cash on hand. So now that we have the boring stuff out of the way, let's look at some interesting numbers here. The stock is currently trading at $31.93. So is this overvalued or undervalued? Let's find out. Market cap of 2.94 billion just means total number of shares multiplied by 31.93 equals to 2.94 billion. Future PE ratio of 15.89, which is pretty good for a company that has a huge growth potential. Generally, a company that has a PE ratio of under 15 is considered good, and for a company that's growing so fast, 15.89 is, I feel, it's really good. So the EV EBITDA is at about 12.63. For S&P 500 last few years, the EV EBITDA value averaged between 11 to 14. For a company that's growing so fast, 12.63 is really not bad. I do feel that this company is undervalued. So let's compare Corsair's valuation to other similar companies in the computer peripherals space. Logitech, 20.9 billion market cap and a forward PE ratio of 26. So a little bit rich, in fact, very not compared to Corsair, very rich, but compared to many other companies in the technology space, I think it's okay as well. And then the EV EBITDA ratio is at 16.1. So Corsair is still better. So let's compare Corsair to Razer as well. Razer trades on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange based in US and serves the worldwide market. They have a market cap of about 19.13 billion and no forward P because maybe they are not expecting to make a profit. Just look at the EV EBITDA 647.72, guys. 647. That's extremely overvalued. So Corsair, in my personal opinion, looks pretty good, and these prices are very attractive right now, and I think I am going to start a position. So that's it. I'm going to start a small position in Corsair, and if it falls further, I'm going to buy more. The stock price and the valuation looks really attractive to me right now. I am going to watch this company very closely. I'm just going to do a little bit more research about it, and I'm going to start a position real soon. Let's just put it that way. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.